The Supreme Court today expressed shock and displeasure on being told that over 1,000 cases had been filed under the scrapped IT law, Section 66A, the controversial law that allowed the police to arrest people for posting offensive content online. The law was in fact struck down over 7 years ago in a landmark judgment. Now, the court had in fact talked about the law as being vague, unconstitutional, as well as a violation of free speech. Arvind joining us with the latest details on that. Arvind, take us through what happened in court.
Ankita, the Supreme Court has said it's terrible and shocking that people are still being booked under Section 66A of the IT Act, which was struck down by the Supreme Court in 2015 in the Shreya Singhal matter. In fact, a petition was filed, a PAL was filed by a human rights body before the Supreme Court, stating that over 1,000 cases have been registered across the country by the police under Section 66A of the IT Act, which has been struck down by the Supreme Court way before in 2015. So the matter came up before the Supreme Court judges led by Justice Nariman, and when the matter came up for the hearing, the Supreme Court issued notice to the centre asking for the centre's response. But while issuing notice, the Supreme Court said that it's a sad state, it's a shocking state of affairs, and the Supreme Court also clearly made it clear that made its observation clear that it's terrible that people are still being booked under Section 66A, which was struck down by the Apex Court, the top court in the country, way back in 2014. The Supreme Court has issued notice to the centre, and the centre is expected to file its response to the PL that has been filed. In fact, in the PL has also sought for the cases that have been registered across the country, giving details of the cases and also the nature of the punishment and the sentence that have been granted based on this particular case. So after 2 weeks, the matter will again be coming up for the hearing, where the centre will be responding to the PL that has been sought for taking action against this particular invocation of Section 66A.